Hey guys, today we got something very special. The Oneplus Cyberpunk edition. First, let's see the box. This time, the OnePlus Cyberpunk edition provides a very slim box. It's bigger than normal one, and besides the charger and the cable, they provided the Cyberpunk case and the Cyberpunk badge in the smartphone. Okay, let's have a look of the OnePlus Cyberpunk edition. The design is very special, especially the rear, the back cover. This is OnePlus logo, and it has this called camera, and the camera design is a bit different because they use a big the Cyberpunk, because there is a big size of the camera section in the back of the smartphone. Besides the cameras, it also have the smartphone Cyberpunk element 2077 neural connection status active, and OnePlus logo, Cyberpunk logo at the bottom of the smartphone. Okay, let's turn off the smartphone. Okay, we will turn off the smartphone. It's a normal boot. Okay, after normal boot, it appears